How to create TikTok business account. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to create a TikTok business account, you can simply follow up the steps. So first of all, open up your TikTok. If you don't have it yet, you can download it. After that, once you are logged in, you can head over to the profile in the bottom right corner and open up your profile page. Once you open up your profile page, you can tap on the menu button at the top right corner to open up a menu. Now from the menu, go ahead and select settings and privacy. And your settings and privacy opens up. Now from settings and privacy, go ahead and select the first option, that is account. You can tap on it, and here you should be finding an option that says switch to business account right in the middle. You can tap on it, and all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts in order to create up a TikTok business account. You can continue the process like reach more people, access conversion tools, everything, and choose a category of your business account. And once that is done, tap on next. Go ahead and do that and type your email address if you want. You can skip that process if you want, and that is it. You're all set. Now your business account on TikTok has been created. So that is it for now. That is how you basically create a business account for yourself on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.